Yeah. Fort Knox. Aftermath. Compton, New Jersey. Chop fools know about percolating on low low. Mike's ass exposed, nigga.
Just to all my niggas on the porch getting their hair braided, cornrow by LA bitch. And I can't forget my niggas riding the train, Yankee fitted thermos under that LA shit. I love New York, but gang banging that's LA shit. And I'm proud of it, spit it through the wire so the crowd love it. Haters, you know who you are, you can turn it. Spend half the budget, I'm gangsta. Let the 40 cal blow in public, more hatred inside my soul than podcast for Dolores Tucker. Every time one of my niggas get shot, the more I suffer, cause we trapped inside a world where you forced to die for your colors. I seen it all through the range tents. My niggas do a life in the state pen, so I dread like Jamaicans. If I die for one of my statements, then break up the streets of Compton, spend my blood in the paper. Niggas keep saying they gon' beat me up, talking that shit like they gon' lay me down. But when I come through, strap to see what's up, niggas really don't want no parts of me back. Niggas keep saying they gon' beat me up, talking that shit like they gon' lay me down. But when I come through, strap to see what's up, niggas really don't want no parts of me back. Who I gotta talk to, who I gotta write, get my Reebok deal done on standing air nights, alright? I handle balls, you ain't gotta ride a bike, compete gaming and skills, they go some training wheels, let's roll through the city of God, where niggas train to kill and chop you up 100 times worse than the Haitians will. For real, nah for real, I need a track, homie. Dread me too close, ain't no turning back, homie. Deal with it, I'ma be here for 10 years, spitting like the ghost of Eric White and Big Gear. Let me paint this picture while you sit here, thinking in the back of your mind, this is the shit, yeah. I spit for niggas doing 25 on their 5th year, ready to throw a nigga off the 5th tier. The white boys in the Abercrombie and Fitch gear, and every nigga who ever helped me to get here. Niggas keep saying they gon' beat me up, talking that shit like they gon' lay me down. But when I come through, strap to see what's up, niggas really don't want no parts of me back. Niggas keep saying they gon' beat me up, talking that shit like they gon' lay me down. And when I come through, strap to see what's up, niggas really don't want no parts of me back. It go 1 brick, 2 brick, the boy move away. Now 3 bricks, 4 bricks, I'm driving upstate. 5 bricks, 6 bricks, the nigga got cake. Not rap money, but money been rap since 88. Look at the world we live in, niggas steady hit to the head of the cut.
Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Ah! Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh god, I'm playing off this question. Ah!